here to do the Bean Boozled Challenge, not with Matt, but with special guest, me! Vanessa. That's good.
Okay.
Alright. Can you get in the video?
I'm here.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. You can pick one first since you haven't done this before.
Oh
I've done this challenge before, but you have not.
This is scary.
You can't pick blue because blue's the best. Like, blue is a win-win.
Can we do that last?
And we got water just in case it tastes nasty, and I know because I've had this before. It's disgusting. Just pick a thing.
Oh my gosh,
Just pick one like this. Don't pick out of there. Pick one of those.
Okay.
Just grab one.
I do green.
Grab the bucket. What kind of green? She picked lawn clippings or lime. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I got lawn clippings.
I think I got lime. Doesn't taste nothing.
I got lawn clippings. You could just spit it behind you if you don't like it.
I like it. It's like lime.
Ugh!
It's lime.
I jinxed myself inside because I was like, we'll do this one. I just picked one. It's another green one. It's a booger or juicy pear.
Okay, I don't like this one.
No. Right, 1, 2, 3, go. I got juicy pear.
I got booger.
You got water.
This is nasty.
I got juicy pear. I've never gotten juicy pear.
I'm not about that salty.
Alright, go ahead. You pick one.
White.
White. White is baby wipes or coconut.
Oh gosh.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, coconut.
I got baby white.
Yeah. Your turn.
My turn. I'll pick this one. Oh yeah. Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. What's this one?
Both good.
Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. Oh.
3 go.
Yes, Tutti Frutti.
Yeah.
That's really good. Go ahead. Pick one. Oh, really good. It tastes like gum. What's this?
Oh no, that's fine.
No, you already picked this one.
Okay.
What is this? Black? Skunk spray or licorice? 1, 2, 3.
Skunk spray. That's disgusting.
I'm gonna throw up.
That's disgusting.
Maybe I should have brought napkins out.
Yeah. I retired. I'm kidding.
Ugh! I didn't do the black one last time because there was only one. Hey, this even has a warning label. Caution.
Sure, caution.
Mosquito.
Is that
Alright, my
water?
turn.
You could have given us like good.
We'll do the blue one. Blue one. This one is toothpaste or berry blue. It's a win-win. I got toothpaste, but it tastes so good. I spit in my shirt.
Yeah, it's very blue.
I spit water in my shirt. It's so cold. This is the best one. Go ahead.
I want to do that last.
Well, there's more. We can do it again.
Okay.
Which one is this?
Peach or barf?
Barf?
Barf.
Barf! Oh, barf it's nasty.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Ready?
1, 2,
Go.
Uh-huh. I do not know right away.
Because I didn't chew it that well.
Barf actually makes you want to barf.
Yeah. I want to cry now.
I didn't taste that much of it, but it's still nasty. That's the that one and this one. We'll do this one. This one's pretty bad too. Here. This one's pretty bad. This is canned dog food or chocolate pudding. This one's pretty bad too. This one and the barf are probably the worst.
Give me chocolate.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
I didn't even. That's gross.
Can we go to Taco Bell after this? This is nasty.
It's gross.
Alright, we got 2 left. Go ahead and pick one.
I'm almost
Alright, there's 2 left. Pick one. This one?
peanut butter.
Not peanut butter.
I'm changing the names.
It's moldy cheese or caramel corn.
Oh, I thought it was this one.
No, it's this one.
Popcorn.
That's the last one. I'm scared. Who knows what moldy cheese tastes like?
No, but I'm gonna spit it if I don't.
I still have that taste in my mouth. Dog food. 1, 2, 3. I got moldy cheese.
I don't know why I got, but it's nasty.
I'm getting bit by a mosquito right now.
I need toothpaste. Oh, wait.
We have one more. Oh, my breath smells horrible.
I know, mine too.
Oh my god. Let's not go kiss boys after this. 'Cause that would be gross. What is this? Rotten egg or buttered popcorn? Let's go. That's just Jake.
Oh, it's popcorn.
I got all bad ones.
That's funny. Give me that toothpaste.
We'll leave one for my mom. I'm gonna have my mom do this challenge. Ugh.
Maybe that was toothpaste.
I got toothpaste. So, hit that like button because this was terrible.
Look at the water.
Mine's gone. Mine's gone. So yeah, go ahead and try this challenge. This is my second time doing it, and this was actually worse.
This is my first time.
First time. Well, cause Matt's not here.
I usually want to do challenges.
Huh?
I usually want to do challenges unless Matt's not here.
We have a whole bunch. We have a whole bunch more challenges coming though. I just bought almost everything for it.
Stay tuned.
We got so much. Good?
Yeah.
All right. So this is our little celebration for the aftermath of this challenge. I'm gonna explode this everywhere. Over here.
This way.
It's Mentos, mint Mentos, and Diet Coke.
This is not really a challenge though.
It's not a challenge, it's just an experiment.
So we'll call this
I don't know
video
how to do this.
experiment.
So it's kind of flat right here.
Maybe.
I'm scared.
I think it works. It's working!
Yeah, it does work.
It's not exploding that much though.
Because I can't get the lid on it. Wait!
Oh my gosh! No.
It works! It works!
You didn't do it right though.
Shut up! You want to come over here and do this?
No, I'm holding the camera.
Oh, it didn't work.
Fail.
Fail. Diet Coke though.
It worked, but Gabby didn't do it right, so this is a fail.
Want a Mento?
It worked, but it didn't work.
Want some?
You want some?
Oh. See ya.
So it worked, but Gabby did it wrong, so this is a fail.
It worked. It's just I couldn't get the cap off. So yeah. I'm gonna have to bring like a knife out here and stab a hole in it and just... But just stay tuned because we will be doing this again.
Practice makes perfect.
After every challenge. We're gonna try to do this after every challenge. So stay tuned. I got pop all over my hands. Oh, peace out. See ya.
Look at the sun.
Deuces. Deuces. Deuces.
Hey, bye. Bye.
Deuces.
Oh, you forgot to tell them to subscribe and stuff like that.
You can subscribe if you want to.
Do whatever you want.
Do whatever you want. We had fun either way. Deuces.
Right. Peace out.